All right, so we're on a 7,000 square foot driveway right now. We just went through surface preparation where we cleaned all the edges of the grass back, exposing the asphalt surface. Make sure to scrub the whole surface off. Any kind of shallow spots, bird baths, they end up caking up with dirt and debris, so you want to scrub those with a broom. And then you want to blow off the whole driveway. Make sure that the asphalt's completely free of all dust, debris, or any vegetation because the sealer won't bond to it. Now what we're going to do is get our seal coating spray system started up, and we're going to seal coat this beauty right now, turning it matte black, exposing all the colors, the landscape, the home, really beautifying the client's investment here. That's what you call a seal coat job, about 25 minutes, 7,000 square feet, $4 grand, not a bad day. Time to knock on the neighbors and see if we can grab that one too. Let's go.